Hi, my name's Mavis Kirk. I'm a student in the Master of Arts in Education Adult Learning Program. This is my 4th semester, and I'm enjoying obtaining my education in a strictly online format. My background is I'm married with 2 grown children. My daughter is a nurse and is continuing as an adult learner to further her nursing career. And my son is studying at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, or RPI, to become a mechanical or aeronautical engineer. I'm very proud of both of them. In addition, my background includes decades of working. The most recent is I'm a 9.5-year New York State employee. I'll talk about that a little bit more later. And prior to that, I have 20 plus years of self-employment as a community development consultant, writing and administering grants on a state, federal, and local level, and I did that with my husband. My education is I have an associate's in business from Hudson Valley Community College, which you'll see on the screen. I'm an alumni of Hudson Valley. I have a bachelor's degree in business and concentration, marketing, and management from SUNY Albany. I also have an accounting certificate from Hudson Valley Community College, and I'm now obtaining my master's degree from Empire State College. It's my goal to be able to teach in an online format once I complete my degree. So far, my degree has been focused on adult learning and success in learning as adults. In my last class, a project I chose was to focus on online discussions, posting, peer posts, instructor interaction, and online learning communities formed during online classes, and how these posts allow fellow students to learn different things from each other. Sometimes about the class, sometimes about other things, such as strategies for their jobs, such as that. While I was studying for my bachelor's degree, I instructed at a local private college, Bryant and Stratton. I taught college math and introductory algebra there. I also taught typing. It was this experience that made me realize I wanted to be a teacher. Also, while getting my degree, I had my first experience with online classes. This is when I realized that I would be very much interested in being involved in teaching in this format. In addition, I have since taken many online classes, and I feel I would be well qualified to relate to and assist students with unique challenges that taking online courses presents. Previously, I said I worked for the state. I worked for the Homeland Security and Emergency Services, and I work in the Disaster Recovery Finance section, and I oversee relief efforts resulting from disasters. Our office oversees and audits billings from contractors who completed work on the disasters. I enjoy my job a great deal, and I'm very excited to be taking this class to learn about new technology, and I wish you all the best.